Summer is the most dangerous season for car accidents. The summer months are the riskiest for driving, at least in terms of traffic deaths, according to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. While you might assume that the risks of winter travel would outweigh the comfortable summer weather, data show that this is not the case. Just about 6% of the nation's 35,000 annual traffic fatalities, according to the FS, occur in the snowy month of February. But, by the time June and July of the summer arrive, that number increases toward 9% each month, peaking at just over 10% in August. As the summer ends and fall arrives, traffic fatality statistics start to plummet once more. These figures defy common sense, as most people would presumably assume that winter driving is the most dangerous and hence causes the most fatalities. What precisely about summer driving is so hazardous? Increased number of motorists. There is no doubt that the summer months are the busiest time of year for traffic because of the increased number of people on the road. Even just knowing this truth increases the possibility of an accident. Road rage incidents rise and driving conditions grow more difficult as a result of traffic congestion, both of which can cause issues. Traveling motorists may also be utterly unaccustomed to the region they are through, which can lead to more chaotic and unpredictable actions on the road. Due to their unfamiliarity with the area, tourists may also drive significantly slower than regular traffic. They frequently search for directions or turnoffs that they believe to be nearby. Tire blowouts. Additionally, more tire blowouts occur in the summer than at any other time of year, according to AAA. The expansion of the air inside your tires due to the hot weather might result in significantly quicker tread loss as well as the possibility of a blowout. Make sure to check your tire pressure and tread depth before beginning any long-distance driving trip to ensure they are within tolerance. More teenagers on the road. Due to summer vacation, there are also a lot more teen drivers on the road throughout the summer. Less experienced drivers on the road are another factor in the rise in collisions. Data show that, compared to other age groups, teenagers are by far the most likely to be involved in any form of traffic accident. Construction activities. The majority of seasoned drivers are well aware that summer is the busiest season for road work. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, reports that for the 10 years between 2005 and 2014, the work zones formed during maintenance and construction activities on the roads resulted in an average of 775 fatalities. Driving accidents are more likely to occur in these places during the summer simply because workers are so exposed in these work zones. Motorcycles and bicycles on the road. Due to the better riding conditions in the summer, there are a lot more bicycles and motorbikes on the road. Drivers must therefore share the road with these flimsy bicycles and motorcycle riders. Just about 1,000 people die in traffic incidents per year that include motor vehicle drivers and riders of motorbikes or bicycles. Because of this, it's critical for car drivers to be aware of these people and to coexist safely with them on the roads.